The question I got asked is, how do I get rid of the open to work on my LinkedIn profile? Now, there's a misunderstanding that could be happening when you're looking at it from your LinkedIn profile. And I'm going to show you what that misunderstanding could be, and I'm going to show you how to manage it in this video. Now, I have open to work right here. Sales trainers, social media. If I click on show details, you can see that I have it, job titles, workspaces, job locations, on-site, remote, and I have it set for recruiters only. I really don't need it on, but that's what you see. Now, but the only people who will see that will be recruiters using the LinkedIn Recruiter app. Let me go to another computer and show you what someone else sees who's not a recruiter and not using the Recruiter app. Here's my LinkedIn profile on somebody else's computer, and you can see all they see is providing services. They do not see open to work. Now let me go back to my computer. On my computer, now I have it set for recruiters only. It was only because I was doing testing, but if I hit the pencil right here, then I can delete from profile altogether. I mean, I could change it instead of being recruiters only. I can make it all LinkedIn members and put that little green banner around my profile when I hit save and hit no thanks. I don't need to broadcast. And so that's totally 100% open. Let me go back and look at somebody else's computer and see what you see. If I hit refresh on this person's computer, boom, open to work, and there's the open to work box right there where they can see the details. Now, I'm gonna go back and take it all off and show you how to take it all off. Let me go back to my computer. Now, the way to take it all off is I have to hit the edit right here. And then instead of all LinkedIn members, I could change it back to recruiters only, and then nobody's gonna see it on my profile. But even, let me hit save, and I'm gonna come back in, I'm gonna edit again, show details. You can see it's recruiters only. If I hit the pencil, I come down here and delete from profile. You'll no longer be sharing that you're open to work. I'm gonna hit delete. And now it is not being shown for anyone at all. It's right here saying get started to show recruiters that I'm open. Let me go back and look at another computer again. I'm gonna hit refresh, and it's gone again for no one to see it. And again, as you notice back on my profile, let me go back to my computer one more time. It's right here for me to get started. It's not even set up at all. Bottom line, if you have show recruiters you're open to work, you'll see that box on your profile, but others will not be able to see it on your LinkedIn profile. The only ones who will see that you're open to work are LinkedIn recruiters using the LinkedIn app. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator guy. I hope this is helpful for you.